Hey guys, it's Goddess, and today I'm super excited because I finally started my channel. I'm a lover of all things makeup and beauty. I've been doing my makeup since I was around 11 years old. I started this same exact YouTube channel over 7 years ago. Uploaded some content, got some views, but I deleted it, which was a huge mistake. Don't know why, totally regret it till this day. But hey, that's why we're here today. I've always carried this passion. Throughout life, I've helped others find theirs too. I'm here to show you how to do your makeup, guiding you to reputable products, new techniques, and anything else that may be helpful when it comes to beauty. I invite you to become a part of the Goddess Gang. Hashtag Goddess Gang. All women are goddesses, and it's just a matter of letting that goddess power shine. And if you don't try to be the biggest, baddest, damn goddess you can be, you are selling yourself short. I'll be posting every Tuesday and Friday with the occasional random day. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials, linked down below. And if you want to see more of my videos, which are going to be pretty awesome, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. Let's see how fast we can get to 100,000 subscribers. Tell your mom, your sister, your aunt, your cousin, your best friend, your neighbors. Share the news, because my channel has officially started. Until next time.